Good morning, students. Welcome to study time by Vineet sir. This is the continue video number 4 of chemistry class 10th lesson 2. Okay. So, students, today we are going to today's topic is salt. Salt. What is salt? Class 10th chemistry. Okay. Lesson 2, that is acid, bases and salt. Acid, bases and salt. Okay, students, so we have discussed about the acids in video number 1. In video number 2 we have discussed about the bases, and video number 3, that is very short video for pH scale, separate video for pH scale. Most of the students are saying that please make a separate video for pH scale, therefore I do. Okay, now today I will explain you about the salts. What is salts बच्चों? देखो salt, you know neutralization reaction. I told you neutralization reaction in the properties of acid and base I told you. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? Whenever any acid react with base, then it form salt and water. Okay, so we can say that salts are the compounds which are formed by the combination of acids and base. When acids combine with base, then it forms salt, then it gives salt. So we can say that salt are the compounds which are formed by the combination of acid and base. This means by neutralization reaction. Okay, and one more definition: salts are the compound. Here, salt are the compounds which are formed by replacing H plus ion, या H, you can say that H ion या hydrogen only. Okay, replacing H plus ion from acids by किसे replace करेंगे? By metals. Okay, means when the hydrogen of acid is replaced by metal, okay, any metal, then it forms salt. For example, suppose HCl, hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid is the acid. When this hydrogen is replaced from HCl minus H, okay, replace, and at the place of H we can add a metal Na. Okay, hydrogen remove हुआ, Na क्या हुआ? Add हुआ. Then what will be the product? At the place of H we can write Na, and the Cl is same, it is right here. So NaCl is the salt. So we can say that salt is formed when hydrogen is replaced by metal. Okay, so these are the two definitions of salt. Salt are the compounds which are formed by the salt is a neutral और एसिडिक और बेसिक में भी तीनों हो सकते हैं. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सर एसिड और बेस मिल रहे हैं तो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जा रहा है, न्यूट्रलाइज होकर सॉल्ट बना रहा है. सॉल्ट में भी न्यूट्रल एंड एसिडिक एंड बेसिक तीनों हो सकते हैं सॉल्ट. सो दीज आर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सॉल्ट. मैं भी बता रहा हूँ आपको. चलो, classification of salts. Next topic is classification of salt. How salt are classified? Okay, so classification means type लिख सकते हो. Classification of salts. Salts की classification की बात करें, salts may be, it may be 3 प्रकार, 3 types: neutral, acidic and basic. Okay, basic salts, acidic salt and neutral salt. सॉल्ट केवल न्यूट्रल नहीं होता है, सॉल्ट में भी तीनों हो सकते हैं, ओके, न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट, एसिडिक सॉल्ट एंड बेसिक सॉल्ट, ओके. सो हाउ दे फॉर्म? न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट फॉर्म व्हेन strong acid react with strong base, then it form neutral salt. Or both are weak, when weak acid react with weak base, then it form neutral salt. Acidic, those type of salt which are stronger, that is acidic salt means strong acid plus weak base, okay, weak base, then it form acidic salt. Basic salt means strong base होगा plus weak acid होगा, then it form basic salt, okay. Now we discuss about the examples and separately हम इसको discuss करते हैं अभी. The example of neutral salt is NaCl ले लीजिए, सोडियम क्लोराइड, पोटेशियम सल्फेट K2SO4 ले लो बच्चों. एसिडिक सॉल्ट का एग्जांपल ले लो, NH4Cl, अमोनियम क्लोराइड, ओके, एंड मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट MgSO4, ओके स्टूडेंट्स. एंड बेसिक सॉल्ट का एग्जांपल ले लो, सोडियम कार्बोनेट Na2CO3. These are the examples of the salts, okay. Now we have understood how they are acidic, how they are basic and how they are neutral, okay. So neutral salt, NaCl. How NaCl form? When NaOH react with HCl, then it form NaCl. Clearly you know this reaction, very easy, very common reaction. NaOH is strong base, okay, and HCl is strong acid. So when both are strong बच्चों, then it form neutral salt. I told you your formula, both are strong, and strong acid react with strong base, then it form neutral salt. This salt is neutral, means its pH is 7, okay, and acidic salts have less than 7 pH. Basic salts have greater than 7 pH value, okay. एसिडिक सॉल्ट के लिए देखो, अमोनियम क्लोराइड है. अमोनियम क्लोराइड कैसे बना होगा? व्हेन अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NH4OH react with HCl, हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. You know, this is ammonium hydroxide weak base. This is weak base. बच्चों ये weak base है. And this is strong acid. You know very well. This is strong acid. Okay. So when strong acid react with weak base, then it form, which is strong, acid or base? Yes, the acid is strong. Of course. तो जो strong होगा उसी टाइप का salt होगा. Acid is strong, इसलिए कैसा salt हो जाएगा बच्चों? Acidic salt, ammonium hydroxide. Similarly for magnesium sulfate you can do it. और next बेसिक सॉल्ट की बात करते हैं. सोडियम कार्बोनेट है. हाउ इट फॉर्म? व्हेन NaOH, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड रिएक्ट विथ कार्बोनिक एसिड H2CO3, ओके. व्हेन दीज बोथ कंबाइन, देन इट फॉर्म Na2CO3, ओके. तो NaOH क्या है? स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है बच्चों. दिस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. एंड कार्बोनिक एसिड, यू नो, दिस इज वीक एसिड. दिस इज मिनरल बट इट इज एक्सेप्शन, ओके. This is weak acid. So which is strong? Base is strong, that is basic salt. Okay. So you will practice from your exercise book exercise, and there is given classify the type of salts according to question, and I hope you better understand. Okay. Thank you.